Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can turn on caption on videos that you watch on Instagram. You'll be able to turn on auto-generated caption on all the videos that you watch on Instagram. So guys, if you want to know how to do it, make sure you follow me to the end of this video. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, the first step to take is to tap on your Instagram app to open it. Let me tap on mine. So guys, once you open up your Instagram app, the next step that you have to take now is to tap on your Instagram profile icon. You can see it there below at the bottom right corner. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. Over here on your Instagram profile, what you have to do now is to tap on the 3 horizontal bar at the top right corner. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, what you have to do next now is to tap on the first option, which is settings and privacy. You can see it there. The arrow is pointing at it. Let me tap on it. So guys, over your settings and privacy, what you have to do now is to scroll downwards. Let me scroll downwards. Then under your app and media, you're going to see where it is written accessibility, which is the second option. You can see the arrow pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, under accessibility, what you have to tap on is the first option. You can see the captions, the arrow is pointing at it. So let me tap on it. So guys, what you have to do now is to toggle on the caption feature. You can see the arrow pointing at it. Once you toggle it on now, every video that you watch on Instagram, the caption will be auto-generated. So guys, can see what is written there. Let me zoom in a little bit. You can see what is written there. Video posts you watch will show auto-generated captions. So guys, let me toggle it on right away. So guys, now I've toggled on the caption feature. Whenever I watch a video post on my Instagram, the auto-generated captions will be out. So guys, now to confirm, let's go over to our Instagram homepage. Let me tap on it. So guys, now let me find the video. Let me refresh once again. So guys, can see now I've refreshed. Let me look for a video. So guys, can see now this is the auto-generated caption. You can see down below the arrow is pointing at it. This is so unbelievable. So guys, you can see down there, you can see the arrow pointing at it. Never mind the caption that is at the top. That's the caption that came with the video, but the Instagram caption is showing down below, which is actually amazing. So for any video that doesn't have caption, Instagram will auto generate captions for you. So let me look for another video. Let me look for another video right away. You can see this video right here. You can see the caption is out. So guys, this is so amazing. I believe if you got value from this, if you did, make sure you like, subscribe and leave a comment. And also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell notification so that whenever I release a new video, you're gonna get notified. See you in our next upload. Bye bye. Peace.